Hey, welcome back. I'm tired. Gonna keep this short and sweet. It's hunting season right around the corner. For me, it's almost like Christmas time, except for there's no toys to unwrap, just beautiful game to shoot. Tasty game to shoot. Think about this. You've been out in the cold all day long. You've been sitting in a blind or on a rock or walking around glassing a hillside trying to find that animal. It's kind of raining, kind of drizzly, the fog's setting in, and it's just about dark. Shooting time is over and it's time to head back to camp. On your way back to camp, you kind of trip and fumble and you're just freezing cold, but off in the distance you can kind of see a glow. That glow is a campfire. You start walking towards the campfire, getting closer. You can hear your buddies, your family, whoever you're hunting with. And they're all talking about the stories of what happened that day, the stories of the past, stories of the present. It's just one of those things. You get up to the fire, maybe get yourself a cold beer, maybe get yourself a cup of coffee to warm the bones, whatever you're going to do. And you just sit around the campfire talking. That is some of the best moments you can have while hunting. Some of those stories and some of those experiences you'll never get back, and you should strongly embrace them. For example, one year, me and a friend, we went out. It was cold. We got lost. We got really lost. Ended up on a road we couldn't turn around on. Every year now, me and my buddy, we talk about that same story, and every time we pass that little road up there in the mountains, we go, don't go down that one. So take the time and embrace it. Not only are you trying to harvest an animal that's going to feed your family for a month or 2 months or 3 months on whatever you're hunting, but you're also building memories with friends. Also, remember to dress warm and in layers, because when it's cold, wet, and drizzly, it gets a little gnarly. When it gets gnarly, it kind of gets unfun. That's what makes that campfire so special when you get back to it. Just remember, if you get back to camp and you're going to have a beer, maybe 6, maybe 12, maybe a little shot of whiskey, whatever you prefer, make sure you unload your weapon and put it away, because number one, safety is key, and make sure you got it stowed away where you're going to get to it the next morning. But, maybe a kid on camp or one of your buddies has had way too much to drink, doesn't get into it and do something stupid. Because as hunters, we're already fighting for the Second Amendment, and we don't really need to add to stupid people doing stupid shit. And speaking of fires, go to the website where we have fire starters. The website is survivebettertogether.com. And if you have any stories of campfire stories or any of those things, make sure to post them or put them in the description box or whatever. And not a description box, I don't know what the hell you call that thing, the comment box, whatever down there is, and just have fun and enjoy this time that's coming, because for you it could also be as special as Christmas. Have a good day.